Hi, today I'm going to talk about a very important topic. Have you ever wished the world could be a better place where everyone has enough food, clean water, a nice home, and an animal, and trees are safe and happy? Yes. Guess what? The countries of the world come together and made a big plan to help a people and a plant. It is called Sustainable Developmental Goal. In short, it is known as SDG. There are 17 goals established by United Nations September 25th, 2015 as a part of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. And they are likely a giant to-do list for the world. The goal aim to end the poverty, protect the plant and make sure no one is left behind and earth stays beautiful for you, me, and everyone in the future. Now we'll see what are the 17 sustainable developmental goals. First comes no poverty, zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce the inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and a strong institution, partnership for the goal. These are the 17 different sustainable goals which United Nations has a target to achieve before 2030. Let us explore them together. Let us talk about a goal number 15, life on land. And now we are going to discuss about life on land. This is the goal is all about protecting the nature like forest, animal and plant so they can live and grow safely just like us. Forest give us clean air to breathe and animal helps the nature in balance. But sometimes forests are cut down, animals lost their homes and the land become dry and dirty. So let us take care of our trees, land, and wildlife. That means we should plant trees, stop cutting down the trees too many, keep animals safe, and throw the trashes in bin, not on the ground, and care for nature in parks, farms, and wild places. Even small things like not stepping on the floor and not hurting the bugs can be make a difference. We can take care of our earth, it takes care of us. Let us be friends with the nature and protect the life on the land together. So conservation scientists, there are different careers in this. We can see a few about this. First comes conservation scientist. What is a conservation scientist? Protect the forest, soil, and water, and keep the nature healthy and safe for the animal and people. And next comes a wildlife biologist. A wildlife biologist is uh, detective for the animals. They study wild animals like lion, bird, frogs, and even tiny bugs to learn about where they live, what they eat, and how they behave. Watch animals in forest, mountains, or oceans to understand their lives. Helps to protect animals that are encaged or in a danger to disappear forever. Find out how changes in nature like pollution or climate change affect the animals. Work with other scientists and park rangers to keep the animal homes safe. Teach the people why animals are important and how to take care of them. To become a wildlife biologist, you usually study the subjects like biology, ecology, or environmental science at college. Wild biologists help make sure animals can live happily on the earth just like we want to live happily too. So next comes a forest manager. A forest manager is like a guardian of forest. They make sure that the trees and forest are healthy and strong and safe. Plan how the forest can grow without being cut down too fast. Decide which tree can be used for the things like paper or furniture without hurting the nature. Help the plant new help plant new trees to replace the one that are cut down. Protect the forest from danger like fire, disaster, diseases or insect that can be harming the trees. Work with local communities and farmers to take care of the forest and land, and study how the forest help the clean the air and give home to the animal and birds. Forest manager usually study about the forestry, environment science, and nature reserves management in college, reserves management in college. They help